Welcome to AAI Fundamentals, unlocking proactive observability with Jobstreams. This is a part of the AAI Fundamentals course, where you'll follow a step-by-step roadmap to understand how automation analytics and intelligence can empower you to unify, predict, and optimize your workflows. The course has 5 modules, each exploring a core building block of AAI. Today we'll focus on Jobstreams. Jobstreams help organizations visualize, manage, and optimize entire business processes. In upcoming modules, you'll see how all these concepts are put together for end-to-end automation observability and insight. By the end of this module, you'll be able to explain how Jobstreams help overcome fragmented views across diverse automation engines to deliver comprehensive unified visibility in AAI. How a Jobstream orchestrates innumerable jobs into an end-to-end business process mapped to a service-level agreement. How a single Jobstream run is visualized in AAI through a Gantt chart. How multiple Jobstreams run views enable proactive identification of risks and optimization of critical business processes. Let's get started. Meet Regina, a system operator at Apex 10, a fictitious global financial institution. She manages automation workflows for daily transaction reconciliations. For this, she uses advanced workload automation engines that handle intricate job dependencies, manage complex steps in workflows, and ensure everything runs in the correct order. These automation engines are powerful and essential for getting the job done. Regina has to keep an eye on numerous automated jobs. When something goes wrong, she gets a flood of alerts. It's like a storm of job failures. Regina feels unprepared because she does not know how to locate and foresee an oncoming alert storm. Even with a really good automation system, the alerts are usually just about individual jobs. While the system is aware of the dependencies for each job, it only notifies her about each individual failure. Without alerts that reflect the whole picture, Regina can't figure out where the problems begin or how they're affecting the business. Too much time is lost and deadlines are missed. So which job should she fix first? Which business service is down or delayed? It's not easy even with just one automation platform, but when there are multiple schedulers and systems, the chaos gets even worse. She is forced to jump from system to untangle the mess. The real problem is that Regina doesn't have a clear view of everything in her automation landscape. This makes it hard for her to do her job, and it takes longer to fix problems. And if she doesn't fix them soon, it could cause serious disruptions to the business. And that's precisely where AAI steps in. We already know how AAI provides a single pane view of all the jobs across multiple platforms and instances. Jobstreams go further and orchestrate all this into a cohesive unified business workflow. Let's focus on one instance and see how it does this. At its core, a Jobstream defines an entire process encompassing all tasks from start to finish to meet a specific milestone. This milestone is represented by what we call the target job, the final job whose completion signifies your desired deliverable. AAI intelligently constructs this Jobstream view for you by consolidating information from your connected automation engines. It works backward from that target job, leveraging all the job dependencies defined within your automation engine, ensuring that every necessary job runs in the precise sequence required to achieve your goal. And every Jobstream has a critical deadline attached to it. It's service level agreement or SLA. When a job fails upstream causing a delay to others downstream, this new process-centric view mapped to an SLA enables Regina to quickly pinpoint blockages and delays, driving faster root cause analysis and proactive resolution. Now let's return to our workspace. Since Jobstreams and AI visualize and orchestrate innumerable jobs across multiple platforms and instances into a cohesive unified business workflow, Regina is now able to locate the exact location in the workload automation process where the problem originated. With this visibility, she can now resolve specific jobs and the rest falls in place. Instead of panicking, all she needed was clarity through unified visibility of complex interconnected business processes running across all her automation engines. Let's see how Jobstreams come to life within the AI interface. On AAI, a single Jobstream run view is represented through the Gantt chart. On the left, we find the Jobstream tree. It shows jobs in execution order, with parent-child relationships that you can expand or collapse. Each job is represented by an execution bar on the Gantt timeline to the right, with the length of the bar showing how long the job took to run. The Gantt chart visually represents the flow and dependencies showing the sequence of execution. You can see where one job's bar ends and another's begins further down the timeline. The position and duration of these bars visually explain how tasks progress one after another, creating a clear picture of your overall workflow from start to finish. At the end of the timeline, we find a green line. It denotes the average run, that is the time taken on average by a job stream for a typical run. The red line depicts the SLA. By comparing the job bars against the SLA and average end time bars, you can instantly see how much of your process is complete and what's still in progress, moving closer to that final target. Regina turns to the Jobstream Gantt chart when she needs a clear visual timeline of the current Jobstream run's progress. This tells her exactly which jobs, if delayed, will impact her SLA, empowering her to take targeted action to keep things on track or even forecast future run completions. It's like having a crystal ball for her processes. Let's now zoom out from a single job stream to see all job streams past, present, and future side by side. That's where the AAI's Jobstreams runs timeline view comes in. With the timeline view, Regina can see every job in a business process across different runs, when each one started and ended, and how they depend on each other all on a timeline. What really sets this apart is its powerful predictive analytics. As jobs run, AAI compares how they're actually doing to how they usually do right in the timeline. If a job is running late, the timeline view doesn't just show a delay. It predicts if the whole job stream might miss its deadline. This early warning lets Regina act before things get worse, which is a huge advantage. Beyond real-time monitoring, the timeline view lets Regina filter by business area, status, and time frame, so she can focus on what matters most. It also lets her compare runs to find patterns and recurring issues. For forensic analysis, she can replay any past run, track exactly where slowdowns happened, and even preview future schedules to spot risks. Granular customization options let her share insights and export detailed reports as needed. By combining detailed job-level information, intuitive filtering comparisons across runs, and groundbreaking predictive forecasting, the Jobstream timeline view helps teams go from reacting to problems to proactively ensuring smooth business operations. While reporting on multiple job streams, Regina uses the Jobstreams runs grid view. It is like a spreadsheet that lets you scan, sort, and filter a ton of job stream data. You can zoom in on specific problems or business units. The AI-powered filter assistants make complex queries easier, so you can analyze and make decisions faster. The Jobstreams runs definition view is less used by Regina and more by designers and architects. It shows you a detailed list of job stream definitions, including every job, its configuration, and how they're related to each other. This helps you understand the process automation blueprint better. It's important for strategic reviews, design validation, and setting up automation for the best performance. Regina's world has been completely transformed by these views. Before, she had to deal with siloed, fragmented visibility and constant reactive firefighting. But now, everything is unified and proactive. Regina no longer has to worry about the chaos of unpredictable alert storms across multiple platforms and schedulers. Instead, AAI gives her and her team the power to see emerging issues, dive deep into any detail, whether it's design real-time execution, historical trends, or forecasts, and most importantly, predict outcomes before they affect the business. This combination of detailed insights, broad context, and predictive power turns chaos into clarity and reactive delays into proactive foresight. With AI, Regina goes from feeling overwhelmed and unprepared to confident in anticipating. She can effectively manage complex automation landscapes and ensure that business operations remain uninterrupted. Visualizing innumerable individual jobs into a business workflow is just the beginning. In the next video, we will see how AAI's SLA management assure these vital job streams finish on time, every time.